Hello besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking. I hope you get to learn something.
My name is Washira Wambui. As you've seen by the title, it's a hair wash day. I've had this rastas, let me call them rastas, for like a week and a half now, and as you can see, it's quite unkempt. So I want to do it, and I also want to try out the aloe vera. Is it aloe vera or arrow? It's the Kikuyu in me shouting for recognition, but anyway, what I mean is I want to try out. I have rice water and I have aloe vera, so I want to try it. After I shampoo my hair, do the rice water, rinse it off, and also do the aloe vera as my conditioner and my leave-in conditioner. I mean, I saw that on the internet, and people had like really nice reviews, like it helps with the health of your hair. And I told myself like, hey, I must try it out. I have this. Imagine I would have paired this video with dreadlock removal video, but I lost it. I recorded it and I lost it. Painful. So this is the dreadlock. These are the dreadlocks that I had. I made them and I installed them and I was retouching them. I mean, I was basically doing all the work and I removed them. And I know that would have been very, very helpful. So basically what I did, if I could just explain it, sorry, in terms of removing. So I used this and I attached this to my hair like this. And I plaited it. I took my crochet needle after plaiting it. So I came and inserted my crochet needle like this. And then ikatokea somewhere hapa juu. And then I attached the end of the plate like this, and then I pulled it inside. So I pulled it inside until it was inside the dreadlock. And then when it came to removing it, it had growth. It had growth. I had them for like 3 months. I had them for around 3 months. So I had growth. I had new growth, despite the fact that I was maintaining it. I was using another crochet needle. I was crocheting. I was not interlocking. I had like growth this year high, that much growth. So when I removed them, so it was like this. I think I'll insert a photo. So it was like this. It has all this much. This was the crocheted part. So I had to be very careful when removing them not to cut my hair. So I wetted my hair, or you can use conditioner. Well, I have this conditioner, but I really don't like the smell. I didn't use it. I didn't use the conditioner. I used water instead. There was shedding, but compared to how much I would have shed for those 3 months, I saw it as okay. It was okay. So I was removing and I was combing each section to avoid entanglements, because I don't like any form of entanglement in my life. Be gone. That is the devil. I don't like that. So let me get into the video. I want to wash my hair.
I really tried to explain on how I removed my temporary locks, but if you want to look more into that, I've put some links down in the description bar to where I got the inspiration from. And this is something that I've tried out. It didn't turn out bad for me, so that's why I'm sharing it. But before we get started, let me show you some of the natural remedies that I decided to incorporate in my new hair journey, because I've had hair for the past 7 months now. The last time I had hair, I pretty much neglected it. I was just like, you've washed it, you've blow dried it, put it in a bun, let's go on, life continues. But it ended up in my hair just like falling off, not falling off, but my length receded, and I was pissed off, and I just decided to just chop it off. And right now I'm on a new journey. I just want to take care of my hair.
Let me show you my rice water. Well, here it is. I had written the day, so it's 2 weeks old. I want to smell it. Yo, it doesn't smell that bad. I decided to make aloe vera jelly,
which was brownish yellow, and it was irritating my skin. So I learned that I didn't soak the aloe vera once I cut it to remove the latex. and that was true. So I had to make another batch because I couldn't use it on my hair. It was reacting to my skin, so that means it was bad for my hair. So I had to make another one. I went for fresh aloe vera, and I removed the gel from the aloe vera. This time I didn't use the skin, and I also soaked it for like an hour in water so that it can remove all the latex. And when I used it, it didn't react to my skin. Now for real, let's jump into the video.
Close your eyes for a minute.
Now, before you come at me for not using running water to wash my hair, well, I just love taking my time when washing my hair because it's a lot and I really have to like do a good work. Personally, I usually see like washing my hair in the shower is just a waste of water and electricity because it takes a lot of time. I personally do it for a really long time until I'm satisfied, and plus this is what I grew up doing. This is how my hair was washed when I was small. So technically I grew into it, and you're probably going to see this a lot more often on my channel. So this is just me nicely telling you to get used to it.
been able to tame it down just to stretch it out as it dries, and then I will remove it and I will style it. I have not blow dried the hair. I don't want to blow dry it. I just want to try this out first, like washing it, moisturizing my hair, and then styling it up later. So I've done this so that it may stretch out and not shrink. 4C hair and shrinkage, same WhatsApp group. That's it. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I want now to oil my scalp. This is an anti-dandruff. This is just for my scalp. I've been trying coconut oil, but it is not a permanent solution. It just suits the dandruff. I'm glad now I get to actually know what it entails to have beautiful black hair, beautiful 4C hair. That is what I mean. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Subscribe if you haven't. See you on my next video. I hope that is satisfying enough. I usually struggle with intros and outros, but bye guys. Thank you so much.